So I'm legit trying this out for the first time, trying to really get like angled with this thing. I feel like I'm looking to this way and I should be looking this way. Maybe I should turn my head this way. Oh, yep, that's kind of in the center. Anyway, I don't even know why I have these in my ear. These ain't plugged into the device. Wow, I can hear. Yo, this is crazy. Anyway, this is actually my second video. I don't know if the first one got loaded because I can't find it. I'm kind of YouTube illiterate right now. All I know how to do is search movies. Now, look, my head is still tilted that way. I should tilt it a little more this way. There we go. Bam. So I'm a little YouTube illiterate. I know how to watch a movie here. I know how to search a movie here. But apparently I don't know how to search my own video because I lost it. I don't know if it got uploaded. I think it got uploaded because my phone said it got uploaded, but I'm not sure if it got uploaded. But I really don't care if it got uploaded because I'm doing this video now, so it really doesn't matter anymore. Does it? Boom. Don't let it bother you. Just move on to the next subject and keep it going. No, I'm not high. No, I'm not on drugs. I am just, it's like 4:30 in the morning. I mean, yeah. It's called overtired syndrome. Have you ever had overtired syndrome? Let me tell you how it goes. See, it start off like this. You get no sleep, continue no sleep, and you do some more of the non-no sleep. Yeah, the non-no sleep. Does that even make any sense? Is that like a double negative? Is that like a don't not never ever say something like that? Or does that actually make sense? I don't know. Who cares? It's 4:35 in the freaking morning. Yeah. So anyway, that's my short little video. I'm going to stop talking now. I'm going to see if this uploads. If it uploads, that's cool. I look like a fool, but that's okay because y'all probably laughed anyway about 10,000 times when I talk like this. And funny thing is, I don't even know how I talk like that. I just keep going. My voice goes like this. My voice goes like that. It goes up, it goes down, it goes up, it goes down, and then it can change. Oh, I just thought about my next video. Like the real one though. Like I'm going to be... Why did I say like? I keep saying like a lot. I don't even use the word like. You know what happened when I used to say the word like? Well, when anybody in my school said the word like. When I was in middle school, I went to Noah Middle School, which is now called Dr. O. Coakley Middle School. Mad long name. Who really wants to say that? Where you go to school? Dr. Philip O. Coakley Middle School in Noah, Massachusetts. Ain't nobody got time for all that. I go to Noah Junior High. I go to Clinton Junior High. I go to Southborough Junior High. See, man, easy, right? Just a junior high or middle school. You got the I go to Ing Bang Big Bang Boom Jang. Middle school. Like, well, who got time for that? Who got time for that? I don't even say all the school. I went to Johnson and Wales University. I don't say that. It's too long. It's only 3 words. Actually, it's 4 words. Johnson, Wales, and University. See? 4 words. And I still shorten that to J-Woo. Ooh, I like it. Ba-dum. Oh, yo. What? I've been talking for like 3 minutes. I didn't realize that. That's a long time to talk. Yo, there be people putting videos on YouTube. They be talking for a minute. Like, not 60 seconds a minute, because I know some of y'all that gonna watch the video. You be like, 60 seconds a minute, that's not that long of a time, dude. What you talking about? You stupid. No, I'm talking about a minute as in like a long, other word for donkey, time. My kneesies. Oh, the music stopped. Y'all probably couldn't hear it anyway, but I was listening to some good like meditation music. It was like, bong. That's probably why my brain is so alive. It's so awake. I'm not gonna say the last thing because I'm not trying to be like that. This is how cows chew. Y'all ever watch a cow chew? I live near a farm. They be like, like they don't got no kind of common sense. They don't got no kind of common sense. 4:38 in the morning. That's what I sound like. They don't got no. Shoot, I sound like I ain't got no education. Wait, no, let me say that right. Sound like I ain't got no education when I don't talk like that. Yeesh. Now I know not to do videos at 4 in the morning. And my head needs to go this way. Because if it's this way, it doesn't look right. Okay, so this way. Go back. Anyway, yo, thanks for tuning in. Deuces.